Hey Kenny, I'm a fresh grad. I want to build my credit profile. May I know how to go about it? I got you. So this is what you can do. This is Kenny here from Probably Stories. So the first step is to get a job. Yes, get a job. Okay? Very simple. If you don't have a job, you got no money, you don't talk about building credit profile. Okay? After you get a job, what you need to do next is to lay down your finances, get your finances in order, meaning how much you need to pay for rent, how much you pay for transportation, how much you pay for food a month. Okay, try to get the lowest rent you can get lah. If you just coming over from outstation to Klang Valley, I highly recommend you to actually just rent a room first. Don't spend so much on accommodation just because you want to be comfortable. That extra money you can use to invest. Most of the time you go to work and come back, I can tell you, I can guarantee you, most of the time you go when the sun haven't come up, you already out of the house. When the sun come down, you only come back and then bathe and then sleep. That's it. Weekends is the time that you actually start exploring and do your own thing. So don't spend so much on accommodation. Just rent a room, a decent room, and a decent location will do. Okay? Save as much money as you can. So after you get your finances in order, right, build emergency fund first. At least have 6 months of emergency fund. 6 months of emergency fund in case of anything happen. That means you every month you know how much you spend, right? So you have 6 months of the expenses save up on the side. How long you take to save, it depends on you, your savings rate. The higher your savings rate, the more you can save, the better it is. The faster you can reach. After you have that 6 months emergency fund put aside, then you apply for a credit card. Okay? You apply for credit card to get your credit card from, I think if you are a fresh grad, right, the easiest to apply is for local banks. Okay, you can check out the links below. We have Ringgit Plus or Compare Hero. You can apply any banks you want down there on the links below. Okay, I'll leave the link below for you to apply your credit card. Then after you do that, use the credit card. Use the credit card for the expenses that you are already roughly know the value. Like let's just say you every month use Touch and Go for your public transportation, 50 ringgit. So that 50 ringgit you charge to your credit card. Okay? Remember, having a credit card, you do not take it as an excuse to spend more, because the bank will definitely encourage you to spend more. Your salary 2,000, the card approved can be 3 times of your limit, which is 6,000. Okay? 3 times of your monthly salary. So the banks will want you to spend more, but that's not what you are here to do. You are going to replace, like I said just now, the expenses, the monthly expenses to your credit card. You are changing the mode of payment by paying cash. Now you pay with card. Because when you pay with card, you not only have to build your secrets record, will have a secrets record, but you also get points, you also get cashback, okay? You got savings down there. That is why you change. What the credit card is not is encouragement for you to spend more. Okay? No, it's not for you to swipe, and then forget it and then spend more. Yeah, it's going to be very hard to do. I say it's very simple, but it's very hard to do. You imagine every month, you come out the money in cash, right? You actually immediately feel, because your bank account very low. But when you come out a card, next month you pay, you still have that $50. You're very tempted to spend one. I understand. Okay? It's very hard to actually control. But do your best. So let's just say every month you spend 50 ringgit on transport for Touch and Go, whatever it is. 50 ringgit, this 50 ringgit set aside for your credit card. You pay your credit card. Okay? Phone bill, easiest phone bill. You charge to your credit card, they also will give you extra like $2 discount on phone bill. Change it to a line, charge to credit card. And you got a prepaid plan, right? You got a plan, a fixed plan. Every month you spend about 100 ringgit. So that 100 ringgit set aside for phone bill, for credit card. That is how you keep the expenses that you know. Okay? Instead of paying cash, you pay card. That's what I'm trying to say. So when you do this, you keep doing this, the secrets record will show very nice record, presuming that you are paying on time and you're paying in full. Okay? You use this credit card, the key here is to pay in full. Why you want to pay in full? Because you don't want to get charged interest. You want to build a credit profile without paying any interest to the bank for free. Okay? That is how you use the credit card. So once you do this for about 12 months, then you consider your credit score is good, provided every month you pay on time and you pay in full. There's no balance brought over and you don't pay minimum payment for your credit card. Okay? Now, you know what? The banks is the one that will offer you. Sir, miss, you want extra? You want to cash out credit card, cash out for personal loan, very low interest. They'll offer you these kind of things. And after 12 months or so, technically you can actually go and buy a house if you want. The banks will be more than happy to lend you 90% of the S&P value. So that's it actually. You want to build credit profile, it's not that hard at all. First, get a job. Second, manage your finances. Third is build an emergency fund for 6 months. Fourth, go and apply for credit card. And fifth, pay off the credit card. Use and pay off the credit card every month for 12 months. And that's it. That's a very good credit score already. However, my suggestion to you is this. Don't simply go and buy a house first. Don't simply go and buy a house, whether it's for investment or own stay, especially for own stay. Don't go and buy a house. What you do is that you continue focusing on income. Build a side hustle, get better at your job, upskill, jump company, maybe another 5 years down the road of doing this or managing your finances daily and all this. And then only, if you want to buy a house for investment, buy a house for investment. Not buy for own stay. Own stay not time yet. There's no need to rush. You can always buy for investment and see whether you like it or not. Because the burden of having a house is totally different from you renting right now. Okay? So that's it for me for today. I hope that it helps. And to all the fresh grad out there, good luck. I hope this small advice here, that what I did actually help you in terms of building your credit. And next time you want to borrow whatever you want, also can. Please borrow responsibly. Don't over leverage yourself. So again, check out the links down below. If you want to apply for credit card, the links are down below. Just click the link and apply. Okay? And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.